Has this question ever crossed your mind? Why isn't yoga at home the same as in the studio? Well, I've learned a couple of things over the last year, and I want to share them with you how to improve your own yoga practice at home right now. Welcome to Triumph with Trent. As always, I hope you all are fantastic. In today's video, I want to discuss how I've made my own home yoga practice as beneficial, if not better, than what I was receiving in the studio. It's 2020 when I'm posting this video, so I've been practicing yoga at home a lot more lately, and I wasn't seeing the same benefits and fell off my strict regimen of yoga once I was stuck in quarantine and didn't have a teacher guiding me through it, those 20 people around me breathing with me and keeping me accountable. So I've learned a couple things over the last several months, and that's why I want to share them with you. I got 5 ways to improve your own home yoga right now. First thing you can do is set intention going into your practice. This incorporates 2 things. Finding a quiet space that is undisturbed from your family members, roommates, and pets running through your area. It's important us to be in the present moment so we can experience the full benefits of our yoga practice. Number 2, set your intention with what you want to get out of it. A lot of us have this tight fascia buildup in our bodies that we want to release. We want to remove some of these toxins by sweating, or it may be just to be more mindful of our environment. Tell your roommates or your family members so they can keep you accountable and they know to leave you alone during this time in this quiet place so you can receive those benefits of going into your practice. Number 2 is commit to a regimen. Whether it be 10 to 15 minutes every day or 30 minutes to an hour a couple times a week, just stay consistent with that flow and you can slowly, incrementally build up your own practice to see those benefits in your life. One thing I've learned to do in my own practice is set it up in my schedule like any business meeting or social gathering. That way I keep myself accountable and it's planned out. I believe strongly in setting yourself up for success, and whatever you put into it, you're going to receive out of it. Number 3, which has probably been the most important thing for me in my own home yoga routine, was investing in a high quality mat and yoga props to bring my yoga practice to the next level. A lot of times we forget about how beneficial these props and yoga mats are to our own practice. And after I received my Lightwaves infrared yoga mat, I've experienced so many benefits from just stepping on the mats. You can experience hot yoga in your own home, and it's charging our bodies up with negative ions to balance out all of those positive ions we receive from our electronics throughout the day. The infrared also relieves muscle tension. I stretch on it every morning and night, and it can relieve pain in our joints. The yoga mats can be sanitary and improve your circulation, and I want everyone to take into account how many times you actually use your own yoga mat. If you're investing this money in one that is a high quality and you want to use, you're going to be much more likely to put this into practice in your life. You're putting $20 to $100 into a subscription to a yoga studio, so why not put this into your mats? This mat's going to be infused with your sweat and have that effort, dedication, and intention in it every time you step on it to do your own practice. The 4th way to improve your yoga practice at home is to follow courses online. Not all of us have the knowledge to stay in a steady flow with our own yoga practice, and there's an abundance of programs online that I'm going to add here, both paid and free for you to check out and in the description, so you can implement some of these teachers in your life. Everyone can benefit from a teacher walking them through some of these poses, so we're not stuck in these stagnant routines that we often fall into based on our prior knowledge. Number 5 is to restore at the end of our practice by engaging in savasana or corpse pose. I know we're often rushed to our next task in the day and we're letting time weigh down on us. So it's important to set intention at the end of your practice so you can have some of these subtle benefits of mindfulness and release that tension that builds up in our bodies, minds, and spirits to restore that balance. I hope you all found this video of great value. I had a lot of fun making it. Make sure to hit that like button if you found any of this useful or entertaining. Go check out Lightwaves infrared yoga mat in the description if you're curious. Tell Brian, the founder, that Triumph with Trent sent you. I would recommend this product to everyone because it's made such a difference in my own life. And I'm going to be going into a lot more wellness tech in the future, so hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified when I review and drop a bunch of content on this wellness tech in the biohacking realm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.